Do you know many people are having trouble with disabling the brush roll on the DIRTDEVIL Power MAXPET when using the above-ground wand? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Detach the wand. Press the wand release button to detach the wand from the vacuum cleaner. Step 2. Insert hose in wand. Pull the wand up and out to separate it from the vacuum and insert the hose into the wand. Step 3. Attach cleaning tools. Push the tools onto the wand for convenient above-ground cleaning. Step 4. Remove the tools. When you're finished, twist and pull the tools off the wand. Step 5. Attach extension wand. Attach the extension wand and 2-in-1 tool for improved above-floor cleaning. Step 6. Position handle upright. Ensure the handle is in an upright position to disable the brush roll while using the wand. Now you should be able to disable the brush roll on your DIRTDEVIL Power MAXPET when using the above-ground wand. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other DIRTDEVIL users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.